Hello guys, welcome everyone to this content of mine. Well, right off the bat, this finishing feature to get the paper out, sequentially from the copied. Then click OK. If this density feature, it's used to regulate dark or fade copy of the desired result. Then click OK. This feature can show the rest of the paper. The ones inside the machine are both A4s, folio, and A3 size. If this MP tray option is a feature to copy the book cover, her paper put through the side. At the entrance of the Copier paper here, we can copy different paper sizes. To find out the paper stock is out, can be marked with a red column on the monitor screen. If the column is marked with black, that means the stock is still filled. Well, if this two-sided feature is useful, to copy two-sided paper well from the top of the machine, or through a photocopier scan glass. To cancel this feature, click Cancel Setting. Now we're gonna fill in the blank A4 size paper. Follow the steps so you don't get me wrong, guys. There's an empty song because there is no paper stock yet. Let's fill A4 size paper now. First, we open the paper protector. After opening the protective paper, we shake the paper like in this video. Why did it have to be made like that? So that the paper is not sticky with other sheets. Then, the next step we fill in, little by little sheets of paper into the song machine. Before that protective paper is thrown in the trash. A4's paper entry point opened first. Insert the paper little by little neatly. Appeal to all friends. If you open the copy machine, don't forget to wear your footwear. Because if you're not wearing footwear, you will be shocked by electrical power that is quite surprised, let alone hit. Then the paper that has been placed, first tidy up the position so you can go up to the machine to copy. Well, once the paper is done, put all. The red notification on the monitor screen will be black. because there is already a black notification like on the monitor screen. And there's a lot of lines, means the paper is full in storage. Enough of the tutorial content at a glance. Features on the Canon machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for the attention.